Hong Kong is such a great city to walk around. There's just so much to see and explore, and you can follow your nose to find street stalls and little shops with amazing little dishes. One of my favorites, egg waffles. You can enjoy them any time of day. That has inspired my maple waffles with sweet and salty peanuts. Now this is intended more as a dessert. Starting off with the batter, I've got some all-purpose flour sifted here, and I'll add some baking powder. I put just a pinch of cinnamon in my batter. A waffle batter, like a pancake batter, you do want to mix right before you're ready to make the waffles. In a separate bowl, I combine my wet ingredients. Milk, maple syrup, that's what lends the sweetness to this recipe. A little bit of vegetable oil, and 2 egg yolks. And I've saved the whites because that's an important part of making a fluffy, crisp, and light waffle. Separating your eggs. Break the eggs into the wet mixture and just blend that together. And then I just add this all at once. A quick little stir. You want to mix just until it's blended. I have the reserved 2 egg whites, and I'll just whisk them lightly by hand until they're beyond frothy, but almost to a soft peak. I'll just quickly fold these in. And I'll make sure my waffle iron is preheated. Of course, the number of waffles you get from this recipe depends on the size of your waffle iron. I find these waffles take about 3 minutes to cook. I want to get ready to serve these waffles while they're warm. To finish my dessert waffles, I'm topping them with sweet and salty peanuts. These are easy to make. Take salt roasted peanuts, toss them with a little maple syrup, spread them on a baking tray, and then in 15 minutes in a 180 oven, they are toasted. The only thing missing, my ice cream. Oh, I can smell those waffles. That reminds me of Hong Kong. Oh, yes. They are hot. Now for this size, I think a dessert serving is 2 of these squares. And in my world, what would a waffle be without a little added maple syrup? Put on a few fresh berries, just for a little pop of color, and finish with the sweet and salty roasted peanuts. And there we go, maple waffles with sweet and salty peanuts.